Welcome to the DFRobot DFTV Simple X Simple Play. Today I will show you how to use the SYS module or MicroPython. In software, I choose uPyCraft. In hardware, we use FireBeetle ESP32. Connect the ESP32 to computer. Let's start the demo. First, enter import SYS. Then we can check the system path through the path attribute, which is usually called as environment variable. We can also check MicroPython language version through version attribute. Implementation can help us check the current operating environment, such as the current environment name and the version number. Platform can get MicroPython's operating platform. Byte order is a byte storage mode which is divided into Big Endian and the Little Endian. This one is the Little Endian mode. Max size is the maximum number of integer types. Exit can exit the current program. For example, we can see that the program has exit when I has not reached 10. That's all. Thanks for your attention. Please visit the DFRobot forum for any queries.